अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, अपन को अभी भूख लगी है। अपन क्या खाएगा पता नहीं, पता करते हैं अपन क्या खाएगा। हाने, आर यू हंग्री?
Restroom? Ay, wala po.
Not here.
Wala po ito.
Any fast food?
Ah, there.
Here, have.
Takoyaki, pizza,
Pizza have?
left.
Left, turn left.
Dito rala.
So we found takoyaki, right? And I don't want to eat takoyaki, I want pizza. Oh, this one. I'm not talking about this one, you know. But where the hell we stand up and eat? No way. The drinks are good. The price of drinks are good. Shawarma. आपसे इसे हलाल, मैंने इसे हलाल करके कर दिया। Hello, is this halal? Halal.
Yes, sir.
Halal, okay. Shawarma. Shawarma is Arabic name, you know. You know shawarma is Arabic name. It's Arabic mean wrap. नाज़रीन हमें शॉर्मा मिला, हम शॉर्मा खाएगा अभी। शॉर्मा राइस भी टेक इज बेटर, यू नो। तो शॉर्मा राइस 89 पैसों का लगभग 460 रुपये का। अब देख सकते हैं मेन्यू सारा। Which one you want, honey?
Wala na, 20.
Shawarma with rice and sure, 2 shawarma with rice and what else should we order?
Should we try vegan dishes?
There are drinks also. Should we buy drinks from here? Iced tea or something from here? Let's see what they have. I think avocado. Honey, what shake you want? Avocado or what? Honey, what is this fruit? I want this one. This one, right? Okay, this one, the big one, okay. Which one you want? Yeah. 2 shawarma with rice. Shawarma rice 2.
Spicy, sir.
Yeah, spicy. And one cheesy chips.
Sir.
Okay.
Take out, sir.
No, yeah, take out. Eat here. Don't table. तो मैंने 2 शॉर्मे लिए हैं, 260 रुपये के रुपये से बने। आप कह सकते हैं पाकिस्तान के एक हाथ से 2000 रुपये कर लें आप, अंदाज़न में बता रहा हूँ बने।
Charlotte's Peter, attached also on the Spurs in our transfer campus league. Attached also on the Spurs.
So are you liking nacho?
Yes.
Really? It's quite delicious. Eat and tell me what do you think.
Right.
So Hannah is going to tell us how the nacho tastes. Hannah, how is the nacho for 89 peso? It is good? Good or not? Good. So let her finish it. And tell me the drink taste. Which one you like? Mango gram or the Gayabano? You taste first. तो अभी हमने खाना खा लिया है, बस अभी हम जा रहे हैं. तो ये था हमारा खाने का ट्रिप. Did you enjoy the meal? How was the nachos? It was good. तो अपनी फैमिली के लिए भी हम लेके जा रहे हैं. तो ये है JM शोरमा. JM शोरमा मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. इंशाल्लाह अपन वापस आएगा JM शोरमे में. तो अपन को काफ़ी मज़ा आया खाना खा के यहाँ पे. आज के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफिज़.